Hello everybody, it's took us a long time to get here on one of the largest mining company that brings the amount of lithium in the world, basically. Let's go in the site and we'll have a quick look around. Alright Victor? Hi! Hey! Say hello Oscar! And we have Sebastian, say hello Sebastian! I've got to be honest, we're doing a great job. The compressor takes air into the machine, comes up the drill pipe, follows down that hose. As you can see now, we're right into the water, and these are the samples. So for now, I'll just say, over and out people, catch you again.